Hello there, fellow Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to share a valuable tip that will take your data analysis to the next level. Sorting data in Excel can be a game changer, and today we'll show you a specific technique, sorting by color. This powerful feature allows you to analyze your data effortlessly and save valuable time. Let's dive in and learn how to use it. Get ready to unlock the magic of sorting by color. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select any colored cell that represents the sorting criteria. With this colored cell selected, head over to the Data tab and click on Sort in the Sort and Filter group. Excel makes it easy for you. In the Sort dialog box, ensure that My Data Has Headers is selected, as this helps in properly identifying the columns. Next, choose the column you want to sort by from the Sort By drop-down menu. Here comes the exciting part. Under the Sort On option, select Cell Color, the secret ingredient for sorting by color. Now, in the Order section, pick the specific color that you want to be the basis for sorting your data. For advanced sorting, you can choose multiple colors and their respective orders. Almost there. To complete the sorting process, keep the order value as On Top. Click OK, and just like that, your data is sorted by color, making your analysis a breeze. There you have it. A quick and efficient way to sort data in Excel based on color. This feature will undoubtedly save you time and enhance your data exploration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that bell button to stay informed about our latest Excel tips and tricks. Have other Excel challenges you'd like us to tackle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy Excel crunching.